morning. So this morning I have made a smoothie which I included organic cherries. Yes, cherries are full of fiber. It has vitamin A, C, and K. It has potassium, magnesium, calcium, and much more. Okay, so since we're outside, we probably outside every day, you know, cherries help your body deal with the day-to-day damage to our cells. Let me give you an example, like inflammation. Like if you're smoking, you know, that causes damage. And even air pollution. Okay, y'all? Yes. Cherries. Okay? Like I said, it's full of fiber. It's going to help you release some of that toxins that you have in your body. And don't be, you know, scary, you know, because there's fiber and you have to go. No, you need to at least have 3 poops a day. All right, poops is waste. You have to get rid of that. Okay, y'all? So look, go ahead and include some cherries in your morning, afternoon, or night smoothie, whatever time you decide to make you one. Please include some cherries, and if you can, make sure that it's organic cherries. And if you read the ingredients, it should only say organic cherries. Look, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that bell to be notified. Leave positive vibes down below. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drink this smoothie before it melts, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.